In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly use Google Drive videos in Google Slides. This skill can really enhance your presentations, making them more engaging and interactive for your audience. Let's dive into the process and get those videos working for you in no time. First, let's start with opening Google Slides. If you haven't already, log into your Google account and navigate to Google Slides, either by typing it directly into the search bar or accessing it through the Google Apps icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Once you're on the platform, select the presentation where you'd like to insert your video or create a new one. Now that you're in your presentation, choose the slide where you want your video to appear. It's helpful to have an idea of which slide naturally fits with the video content you plan to include. Once you've decided on the right slide, click on it to make it active. Next, go to the menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Video. This action will prompt a new window to pop up with several options for locating your desired video. Now, since we're focusing on embedding a video from Google Drive, make sure to select the Google Drive tab located within this window. From here, you'll see all your stored videos in Google Drive. Take your time to locate the right video or use the search bar at the top for a quicker search. Once you've found the video you wish to insert, click on it and then hit the Select button at the bottom of the window. Now that your video is embedded in the slide, feel free to adjust its size and position to ensure it fits the way you want it to look within your presentation. You can do this by clicking and dragging the corners of the video. Remember, keeping a visual balance on the slide can significantly aid in maintaining the audience's interest. Another essential tip is to preview the slide and test the video before your actual presentation. This ensures that everything is functioning smoothly and provides peace of mind, knowing that the video will play as anticipated. To do this, go to the Present option at the upper right and run through your slides, including the newly added video, to check for any glitches. If you notice any issues, they might stem from file permissions in your Google Drive. Ensure that you have set your video file's share settings to allow your audience to view it. You can adjust these settings within Google Drive by right-clicking the video, selecting the Share option, and choosing the appropriate viewing settings. With these steps completed, you're all set to present with your newly integrated video content. This simple yet effective method of incorporating videos from Google Drive into your slides elevates your presentation, making it more dynamic and engaging. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.